Watch me as I disassemble this multi-screener electric portable screening table, which we put about a cubic yard and a half of material through. Worked fantastic. We're definitely going to have more videos about this and what can go through it, how it all works. So, take this bad boy apart. Got a 1/2 inch wrench, 1/2 inch socket. Let's take it out. Now I promise I will find my washers. I do have all 4 washers on that came from the bottom. It's August. It's like 100 degrees, 1000% humidity. We're making it. I'm just go put this up first. Now, this part gets tricky. Take that out, put it with the rest of my stuff. Yeah, this part's tricky. So, here's what we're gonna do, folks. Still, 1/2 inch wrench, deep socket. Okay, well, that part sucks. The bolts that come with this originally really are not great for putting this together. There we go. At least we got one to come out. Got a little hot. There we go, both of those nuts came out. Grab a bag of corn nuts and bust a nut. So, as you can tell, maybe, if you're a one-man show, the setup of this is not ideal, but I know one way to help fix this problem is put a brace up here in front, since the wheelbarrow, if you want to put one under there, is going to come from this side of it. So you could brace this so you don't have this wobbly stuff going on, because at least from what I saw and was given, I don't think there was anything to improve this situation. So, this is where you gotta get a little crazy with it. And boom! Holy fuck. Oh! 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 So, there you have it. That's taken apart the electric multi-screener. Definitely room for improvement, but I will argue that it's still an awesome machine. Just needs a few improvements.